All right, guys, Burger Boys here, and we're gonna have Parker try the hand wash machine at Burgers and Beers for the first time. And here we go. Washing them up real good. How's that feel?
I don't know yet. I mean,
Do a good job?
yes. It felt like,
Was the water warm? Was it cold? Is,
it's
do, you-
warm.
do your hands smell good? Is there soap in it?
It smells, the water was warm,
Uh-huh, okay.
and it smells like,
What's it
it
smell
would
like?
be like,
Like what kind of soap do you think?
a little fire in a balloon.
Oh, okay.
You would smell it.
Yep.
That's what it smells like.
Now, do you prefer that, or would you rather wash your hands like in the bathroom? What do you like more?
I would rather do that because it has more like details and
Uh-huh.
like things. And it even says like wash.
Right. So then would you give this a thumbs up, thumbs down, or in the middle?
I would give it like half top, half middle.
Top, half, middle?
Yeah.
So kind of like here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And my vote would be a 9,
A 9, okay.
just like the Dr. Pepper
Okay.
video. So we'll keep on trying to do more videos and
Mm-hmm.
we'll try and do like we'll do Dr. Pepper
Yep.
and like water,
Mm-hmm. A little
a
mixture of
lot
both.
things.
Yeah. We'll just have a big variety of different videos, right?
Yeah, and we'll, from that the mac and cheese and the hot sauce video we
Yep.
did, we'll update it. So bye.
So just be ready for the next video.